Ladies and gentlemen, from your left-hand side, the RV formation. Falcon Flight pilots are members of a larger nationwide organization called Formation Flying Incorporated, or FFI for short. Their experimental category aircraft are built from kits produced by Vance Aircraft in Oregon. Several of the pilots did their Today, the Jim McCurdy is flying an RV-8. The left wing, Bill Gunn, is flying an RV-4. The right wing, Lowell LeMay, is flying an RV-4. The slot Roy Greer is flying his RV-8. Falcon Flight will be conducting a series of figure 8 and outside loop type maneuvers. The formation.
Just a minute. Here comes Timo by the left. Here they come, really close. Here they're coming around.
As you can see now, ladies and gentlemen, up there in the distance, the two groups have split off into separate formations. And approaching you right now, ladies and gentlemen, is the Falcon Flight of 6. And for the first time, as they come by, you'll see Falcon Flight in a double V formation, so-called because there's two V-shaped formations, one close behind the other. They note that number 4 will be producing smoke.